AppSumo Affiliate Sign Up Tutorial. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to sign up for the AppSumo Affiliate program. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process, from creating an account to sharing tips and tricks to maximize your affiliate earning. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Basically, first things first, let's discuss what is AppSumo Affiliate Program. The AppSumo Affiliate Program allows you to earn commissions by promoting digital products and tools available on the AppSumo platform. Basically, it's an excellent way to monetize your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms by creating software that helps entrepreneurs and businesses grow. So to get started, you want to navigate through the official website of AppSumo. It is the appsumo.com/p/affiliate. If you cannot go ahead and find this website, you can just search for AppSumo Affiliate on your Google search engines. Once inside, it will then take us to this page. You can go ahead and watch this brief explanation on what is AppSumo Affiliate, but in order for us to proceed, you want to click on the Join Now button. So basically how it works. You will go ahead and sign up using their program. You will advertise this specific program by creating some blogs, YouTube channel, or YouTube post, and you will get paid. Earn 100% of sale for up to $50 or $50 in commission, whether a new AppSumo customer you send makes a purchase. Returning customer commissions vary based on contract terms. And from here, if you basically scroll down, you have some explanation on why you want to join AppSumo Affiliate Program. From here, we can basically earn unlimited commissions. We can earn for up to 100% of the sale, up to $50 whenever a new AppSumo customer you send makes a purchase. Returning customer commission vary between 0 to 15% based on the contract terms. Basically, there are even more perks, like the cash bonus opportunities, exciting contests to win special prizes. Past winners have won Airbnb credits, Apple products, trips to Austin, and more. Now, if you want to go ahead and read more about the FAQs, you could just go ahead and scroll down from their official website. But in our case, let's go ahead and proceed to the sign up process. So click on the Join Now button, wait for this page to load in, and from here, you simply want to click on the sign up button. If you want to change your region, you can just go ahead and click on the flag right here, scroll down, and you can basically go ahead and choose your region. So let's proceed by clicking on the sign up button. It will then take us to the contract terms for AppSumo. In here, it will explain the payout details, schedule, the approval products, product submission, general terms, and more. I suggest reading the entire terms and services in order to get yourself familiarized with AppSumo. Basically from there, if you click on the accept button, you will confirm that you have read, understood, acknowledge, and accept the terms, and I agree to bound by them. So I suggest reading the terms of service. So just go ahead and click on accept. Choose the way that you want to go ahead and register an account. You have your Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or you can sign up using an email. Basically from here, it will then ask you your first name, your last name, your email address, and you want to confirm this all by typing your mobile number. So you can click on the country code right here, select your country, and proceed by typing your mobile number. Check the agreement and also the email if you want to receive some email from AppSumo. Right after, you then have to verify the one-time password using your email address, and from there you will be asked on how you want to categorize your business. You have social influencer. My audience allows me to entertain, education, and community, and they encourage with social native content that we produce. You have content and reviews, loyalty/rewards, deal/coupons, email/newspaper, search/comparison, network, technology solution, and lastly, cross-audience monetization. So you can just go ahead and click the appropriate category for your type of business. In my case, I'll click on the content and reviews. Click on continue. And from there, which method do you apply to promote? You can just go ahead and select the type of promotion that you are going to do with the AppSumo affiliate link. In my case, I'll click on offline. So you have offline right here. You can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. For example, you have billboards, you have decals and posters and more. And so once again, you can just go ahead and type the appropriate promotion right here. And so we can now go ahead and add our social media. Basically right after, just click on the continue button. And from here, you have to tell more about yourself. Now I am an individual. You have your account display name, country region, mailing address, time zone, and currency. And basically right after entering your details, you will then be taken to your own dashboard. From here, you can complete your marketplace application to work with other amazing brands. So you simply want to click on the Get Started button. Right after, it will then take you to the terms and conditions. You simply want to click on the I have read and accept the partner user agreement. Click on Next, and we will be taken to the next page on where we can complete our tax information. From here, you can just go ahead and input your tax information inside the impact.com, or basically this is the AppSumo. From here, you have multiple choices. I'll just go ahead and click on the VAT in Philippines right here because I live in this country. You also have something like I am registered for indirect tax in different country. So you can go ahead and put your specific country right here. Or lastly, you want to select the last option if you are not registered for indirect tax. Now take note that you can basically go ahead and add this out later if you want to. So you can just go ahead and proceed by choosing your option. And lastly, to complete our registration process, we can now go ahead and customize our profile. From here, we want to go ahead and enhance our profile in order to go ahead and make it pop or make the brands show up with our profile right here. Now, first things first, you have your profile. You can just click on the choose file button, and from there you will be able to choose a file inside your local devices right here, which is your computer. You can go ahead and use something like Canva to make it easier to edit your own profile. You have the description right here for your profile. You want to tell brands about yourself or your company as well as your content. In here, you have your content and interest. You have your business model, proposal, shipping address, links, and more. Basically, you want to go ahead and enhance your profile in order to get approved or get an affiliate from other brands. Basically, you want to focus on promoting products that align with your audience interest, creating engagement content like tutorials, reviews, and case studies to showcase the product's value. You want to use SEO techniques to drive organic traffic to your content. Leverage social proof by sharing testimonials and success stories related to the product. You want to experiment with different promotional strategies to see what works best for your audience. And so, signing up for the AppSumo affiliate program is a simple process, and with the right strategy, you can turn it into a lucrative income stream. You want to stay consistent, track your progress, and always look for new ways to add value to your customers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedbacks in the comments. Happy affiliate marketing. Thank you.